हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेविन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। टुडे we discuss about most important concept of public finance and money banking. Today topic is the ability to pay principle of taxation. The idea of a progressive income tax, that is that people with the ability to pay more should pay a higher percentage of their income is centuries old. In fact, it was exposed by none others than Adam is other than the Adam Smith, considered the father of economics in 1976. Smith uh, wrote that the subject of every state ought to be contribute toward the support of the government as near as possible in proposition to their respective ability, that that is in proportion to the revenue which they respectively enjoy under the protection of the state. The ability to pay philosophy of taxation maintain the taxes should levied according to the taxpayer ability to pay. The idea is that people, businessmen, and corporations with higher income can should pay more in taxes. Ability to pay taxation argued that those who earn higher income should pay a greater percentage of those income in taxes compare with those who earn less. For example, in 2020, individual in the United States with the taxable income less than 9875 faces the 10% of income tax, and while those who taxable income of more than 518,000 face the 33%, the national top individual rates. Earning between those amount face tax rate as set by the income brackets. The idea underlying ability to pay taxation is that everyone should make an equal sacrifice paying taxes, and because people with more money effectively has less use for given dollar. Paying more than the taxes does not impose the greater burden. Think of it way to a person with earn 1 million a year, 10,000 will make every little differences in their life, while it will make a big differences in person earning ability 60,000 a year. Criticism. Critics of progressive taxation argue that it is fundamentally unfair. They say penalize hard work and success and reduces the incentive to make more money. Many argue that everyone should pay the some income tax rate, a flat tax, to make the system more equitable. In next lecture, we will discuss about characteristics or features of good taxation. Thank you.